Alright guys, here we go. We're doing the PYT number 2 over $7. NFL mixer. I got one more absolute I could throw in too. Into the Bears. Alright, here we go. Serial number filler for the Bears. 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. You can throw on top, throw on the bottom. Nine times here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 10 on top. One spot going out to Larry. Whitman. And Whitman got you. Oh, number 10, also Brian Johnson, got you. 3 left in there. $135 minus 59.
What's your follow up with?
76 left. Alright, good luck, everybody. I'm feeling a kaboom. Baseball's almost full. 3 left in that serial number filler. Get about a quarter or a third of those teams. About a third. Mac Jones and Whiteman. We got Keelan Hill, Jimmy Brown, Quiddy. Got a Zach Wilson here for the Jets. Got Green, the red parallel. We got a redemption here. Bateman, signatures rookies here, going into the Ravens. Rockets boy. So Brady, stargazing. Merced, Patterson, Roundtree, Bateman, Farley, Tony, Trey Sermon, Tutu Atwell, the jersey card. Going to the Rams, Zero Cool. Mahomes. Box 1 absolute done. Three left in the baseball serial number filler. We'll do that right after this. Holland, Nico Collins, Boogie, Mac Jones, Hill, got a Jamar Chase, the jersey card here, Bengals, Wickman. Patterson, Bateman, Felton, we got something here, an auto, looks like a, is that an auto? Oh no, it's not an auto, but let's see, Zach Wilson. I never pulled one of these. What are these? For the Jets, Scott Green. These are not numbered. Going out to Scott Green. Devontae, Mercets. Yeah, I thought, oh, dude. I don't know what that is, though. Oh, here's our, we got a, I guess here it is, Dwayne Eskridge auto for the Seahawks, Philly fan. Kyle Pitts, the Trevor Lawrence. Yeah, I thought it was going to be an auto too, Sky Green. Alright. Kaleidoscope. Alright, here we go. Michael Pittman. Hogs, ball hog for the Colts. Brad Green. Fuller, Brightwell, Morris St. Broad, Retchin, Moden. These are absolute megas. Kyle Pitts. But yeah, they are. There's some number cards in here every now and then. We pulled the gold auto, number to 10. Last one. Got Pitts here, Bolton, Marshall, Joseph. Three of 75, Quincy Roach for the Steelers. Number card. That's that first low for the Steelers. Kenny, gotta be a 3. There's Moore. Stevenson, Micah Parsons for the Cowboys. Moore, Hunter Long. D's, Camp, Wade, Trey Lance, Big JB. Alright. We'll do Valiant after this. Am I muffled for everybody? Let me see. Oh. Is this not plugged in or something? Hold on.
What's the thing with the light? There's a plug with the light right there. On the bottom of it.
Oh, that's something else.
Oh.
Huh. Oh, here he goes. Alright, that sound better? Good. Can you hear me? Alright, it wasn't... My mic wasn't hooked up for some reason. Alright. That was an issue. No one could hear me. Got you, man. Alright, sounds better? Alright, let's do some Valiant. That oh shit? What was that? Alright, here we go. Demar Smith Merced. 8 of 20. It's going out to the Vikings. SC Tiger. Nice. Jamar Chase. 48 of 50. Going out to Wickman. Bengals. That will be our high right now. We have a Jamar Jefferson, 18 of 20. Who is Jamar Jefferson? The Lions going out to punts. The old school music. And we have a 9.5 rising stock. D's Fitzpatrick. 18 of 20 going out to punts. Alright, let's do some playbook. Let's see, we have a rookie playbook jersey autograph. Nice. Alright, Thielen Wallace. 160 of 299. That's gonna be our new high. I got the 130s over there. What's back there? Yeah, I don't see that. Hot Route Jamal Chase. 62 of 99. Going out to the Bengals, Wickman. These the Titans. What did I say with these? Yeah, these are tightest for Ian Whiteman. You're right. Autograph here, Daryl Mooney. 141 of 199. Going out to the serial number. The Bears, so we're going to the one spot, Lowry. And our book, let me see, the height is 160. And we have a book here, 55 of 299, Anthony Schwartz. Autograph jersey here for the Browns, Ricky. And there we go. This is the Phoenix. You got the dates wrong. There you go, look on Phoenix. Darby, we got a Joe Burrow, 123, 175. Bengals, Wickman. I think I want this color rush for the Ravens. Breakfast boy. Devontae Smith, Ricky. We have a Keenan Allen Gold, 13 of 75. For the Chargers, Alex English. Got a Herbie Flamethrowers. For the Chargers also. Oh yeah, I just played that, right? Did you hear it? Aziz Ricky, we have a purple 19 of 125, Juju Smith-Schuster. Kenny. And a Zach Wilson silver rookie for the Jets, Scott Green. There's Mills rookie for the Texans, Rockets boy. And we have a Chauncey Golston, 48 of 125. Cowboys, Ricky. Jerry Rice, Fireforge. Chuba Hubbard for the Panthers. Zach Wilson, 45 of 50 for the Jets. Heatwave. We have a silver Mahomes for the Chiefs, Ricky. Trumbull, we have an Elijah Moore for the 104 of 250 for the Jets. Scott Green, we got a Heatwave, Patrick Mahomes. Cornell Powell, 48 of 50 here for the Chiefs. Gold patch here. Yeah, man. Got some WWE mixers. How many spots do you want? Easy? Chiefs, Ricky. Juju, Steelers. Got a Saquon Barkley, 25 of 125. Hey, Trevor Lawrence Silver rookie rising for the Jags. Sackers. What we got here? Going out to the Dolphins. Jalen Waddle. Nice. Nice hit there for punt. That's going to be 36 of 75. Nice Waddle there. Najee Harris for the Steelers. Derek Carr, 85 of 189, Raiders. Carson Wentz. What's this? Darius Slayton for the Giants, not numbered. Rising Star Auto. Going out to punts. Not numbered. Jones, Shelton. Last pack here. You want a Packer card? What about the Ian Book? Aaron Robertson, 74, 150 for the Giants. We got the Heat Wave, AJ Brown. And here we go. Good luck, guys. On the Panini 1. We are due for Aaron Rodgers, 101. For the Eagles, 12 of 15. Nice autograph patch here. 1, 2, 3, 4 color patch. Going out to punt. Nice. Not even one Packer. Got you, Jazz. And the serial number 2 left in there. So we got our low serial number winner 3 for the Steelers, Kenny. There you go, Kenny. $50 for Kenny, and then for the Ravens, 160. Going out to Rockets boy. We didn't beat 160. I think so, right? Alright, let's do a recap here. Darius Slayton, Rising Star Auto. Derek Carr and Robertson and G. Harris. It's a nice Jalen Waddle. What's up, Mets fan? Trevor Lawrence, Barkley, Cornell Powell, patch card. Mahomes, Ledger Moore, Mahomes again, Wilson, number 50, Golston, Mills, Wilson again, Hot Routes, Herbert, Keenan Allen, Jalen Wallace. We have this Devontae. Joe Burrow, Pink, Mooney, Jamar Chase, jersey card, Jamar Chase auto, Jefferson, Set, Trey Lance, Parsons, Kyle Pitts, Pittman, Trevor Lawrence, Eskridge auto, Zach Wilson. Got a Jamar Chase again, Mac Jones, Joe Atwill. And we have this book here. Show this thing here. These for the Titans. Bateman auto. Rick Wilson and Mac Jones. Oh, that one's for that? Sorry, Zachary.